Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button, and also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this is a package I got from the sneakers app. So let's crack this open right here. Is and here's just the receipt from Nike, packing slip. So again, you got the red Nike box right here, you got the Nike up top, pretty much Nike everywhere. At the bottom, these are the Nike Air Max 98, size 10.5, suggested retail is $160, colorway is white tour yellow. So these are the Air Max 98, the tour yellow colorway. So let's crack this open right here, just regular white paper. And here are the shoes. Right here. So you just quick spin of the shoe itself. You got the bottom right here, you got hits of that yellow. You got the air unit, the visible air unit that you can see. It's got that tour yellow color all around. You got this mesh upper. You got hits of that Nike swoosh right there and right there as well. You got air in the back. It will say Nike Air inside. You got Air Max branding on the tongue. You know, just a nice OG colorway of the Air Max 98. And here is the other pair right here. Got more of that Nike swoosh right there, back. So again, just a clean colorway, in my opinion. So, all right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out.